Hi chaps, John here at Microaces and welcome to the Microaces workshop once again. No funny hat, no silly jumper, but I want to let you know that this year, 2025, we will be doing another Secret Santa. And I thought it was important to tell you a bit about it before you head on over to our website and ah about whether to grab one or not. Firstly, well, this year, as you may well know, has been quite a year for us. We've been developing the next generation of Microaces kits, which has culminated in the release of the Hawker Hurricane, which is due out in November. Many of you may already have pre-ordered it. Thank you very much. Followed by the Messerschmitt 109, which will be coming out at some point next year in 2026. So we thought with the Secret Santa this year, it would be a fantastic idea to do something special as well. And I'll let you know what that is without hopefully revealing too much about the Secret Santa itself. Otherwise it wouldn't be a secret and there would be no surprise on Christmas morning when you open the kit. So firstly and importantly, it is not a scale model, but it absolutely reeks of nostalgia. If like me, you started your aero modeling journey as a child, especially if you're my age or even older, if at all possible. But more than that would really sort of give the game away. So lots of nostalgia built into to this kit. But I feel probably the most important thing to know about this kit is that it is an easy build. It's an easy fly kit. But more importantly than that, it is a learning tool. It's based on our next generation kits. It uses the same materials as those next generation kits, but as I said, it's easier to build and easy to fly. So it really is a gateway from whatever you're doing at the moment, whether you've never built a Microaces kit before or you're an avid Microaces kit builder but haven't dabbled with the Tyvek yet, which is the covering material, the new covering material that we use, then this is an absolutely ideal model to get you off the ground, as it were. And so from that perspective, it is really good. Also, it's a lovely looking plane as well. So all that being said, head on over to our website to take a look. There's probably a little bit more information about it, such as the powertrain it uses, the electronics, etc. You can find there. I might even put the dimensions of it too. But it's great. It's a great indoor and outdoor aircraft, so you can gauge from that what you like. But I'm saying no more, apart from please go to our website and have a look. Oh, and I needed to mention that we are limiting kits because we have limited time. Obviously, at the moment, we are going hell for leather producing the Hurricane kit for release in November. And so we have to, at some point, fit in the production of the Secret Santa 2. So it's been test flown, don't worry. It all works very, very well. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up now. There we go, Secret Santa. Head on over to Microaces website. Links in the comments, wherever. And a very, no, it's not a very happy Christmas yet, is it? It's far too early. But have a great Secret Santa. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.